How to find your QR code on Shein shopping app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you find your QR code on Shein shopping online app. To find your QR code, you just have to follow the steps. But before that, make sure to update your application. Head over to your Play Store and on the search box type in Shein. When you type in Shein, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date, click the open button and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. So here, what you want to do is click the profile or the Me tab from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. After which, you could go ahead and click on the profile from the top right, or else you could just go to the gear icon and once again click on your profile. Once you do that, you could see there is a section as my QR code. Just go ahead and click on it, and once you actually tap on it, you could find the QR code over here. So that's the way you could go ahead and find or locate your QR code on the Shein shopping app online. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.